Today's video has been sponsored by Healthy Food. So everyone loves eating, right? We have obsession with big brands in everything, and the same with food. We will always prefer big brands like McDonald's and KFC over any good food store because we have fitted in our mind that they are the best. No, they are not. If some else restaurant makes better food which is healthier than the bigger brands, then no one will eat it. Now let's talk about junk food. We Indians have some deep connection with junk food, and I don't know why. Every place has its own different junk food, either in the same style or it is some other food. People love to sit beside the road and eat junk food.
Stop it. Get some help.
But it's not easy to win your one piece of food. You may have to do a lot of sacrifices, and these stunts are only performed by professionals. Let me describe the steps for getting your junk food. Step 1. Decide what to eat and decide anything that will make your stomach hurt the next day so that you get a holiday. Step 2. Go to the stall containing the food. Step 3. Ask the price even if you know it because safety first.
Nice.
Step 4. Go to the nearest shop and ask the same thing and choose the shop who is taking less money. Exception alert. If you are like me and most others who likes to go to the crowded stall leaving everything behind, then I'm sorry to tell that we are not doing it right. Because the empty stalls obviously take less time and we don't have to go to the stall where everyone is going. But it's your choice. Step 5. Wash your hand with the nearest available thing. It may be water, coke or whatsoever. And then get ready. Step 6. Take your respected plate and if it's a plastic one and is broken, then ask for a new one. Step 7. Wait for your big brother to give your favorite food on the plate and then make sound acting you are not disturbing or showing anyone. But yes, it is of course to make others jealous and show them that I am eating and you all can eat. And the auntie next to you will be like, hush, get out. Food is coming out of the mouth and the guy is eating like he never ate. Step 8. Okay, so this is a very important step and if you miss this, then your whole sum of money is wasted. Now repeat the same thing which I tell. Brother, give me some extra. Brother, give me some extra. Continue this loop and don't stop till your big brother says no. Fixed rate. And I hope that after few hours of crying, he will give you an extra piece of food. And the happiness you get after he gives you extra food, it can't be expressed. So these were a set of long tips about how to eat junk food.
Okay.
Now let's talk about food of the rich people. You must have seen many stars and YouTubers posting this. At McDonald's or KFC or whatsoever, eating good food which is obviously costly. This is a post which you see every week on Instagram. And if you ask me, it's actually too out of my budget to go there every week and eat because I don't have money and I need it. So let's resume. If I go to big food centers like this, then I will eat all their food at once because I know I will be coming to this place at least after 1 month because the nearest cafe coffee day from my house is even more than 100 kilometers. So then I can end the whole food and leave nothing for anyone. Yeah, call me jealous. Actually, I am jealous. Then I should also describe about what happened for the first time when I went to big restaurants like McDonald's and KFC. And for your information, I was 10 at that time. I was standing in a line and waiting for my turn to come and suddenly saw that there was no one in front of me and the guy in the counter looked at me and said,
What do you like to have?
Then I started screaming and got confused because the speed at which he said was 2x and his accent was even heavier than Thanos. Then I knew what I wanted and I understood what he said, so I gave my answer. Yeah, give me 1 cup of coke and also a chicken burger with medium size fries. And honestly, I felt super proud after telling that because I was sure that the speed at which I said that must have confused the counter guy. But then he did Uno reverse and I was shocked. He asked me,
What's the size of the coke do you want? Should it be normal or chili? And what should be the size of the burger? Large, medium or small? Would you like it with extra cheese? And would you like spicy or non-spicy sauce?
Then it took me another 20 minutes to understand what he said and I could already hear people behind me shouting to order fast.
Order fast!
And my previous action already made me a famous gossip among all the people in the restaurant. And then I was confused more than anything because I didn't know how I was going to get my food. I saw people going to the counter but I was confused at how would I know that it was my turn. Then I googled about this and got the answer. Then I was sure and my number was finally called loudly and I started eating. So the burger was wrapped and the coke was in plastic cup. So it was quite easy for me to guess, but there were 2 cups containing sauces and the fries came out on the tray in my lap before I even ate one. Then again I was the famous celebrity and I didn't know what the sauce in the cup was for. So I ate it raw.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Then I finished my meal and came out, and this was my first time in any big restaurants like KFC and McDonald's. But let me tell one thing. We will not eat the same thing which will be made in our house for free, but we will go out and spend 1000 rupees and eat the same thing. I mean, dude, seriously? And we never know how much we eat and we obviously overeat. So these were a few tips about junk food and big restaurants. So use the promo code CabbageIsSavage to get flat 15% off on anything. So I hope you will be kicked after telling this in any shop, and don't blame me for this because warning alert. So you can see my thumb somewhere under this video, so click on the thumb to become my friend and click on the subscribe button to become a student of ABC Osbos College. Thank you for watching. Peace. See you later.
It's not a game, it's a rich